Hello guys, uh, today I have just experienced a problem in my WordPress website. I have one WordPress website. I'll show it to you. This is the website I have just created in WordPress, and I was just simply checking it and updating the plugins, regular things. But I just came across one problem that I just wanted to install one plugin. So I could not do that because when I just log in into this dashboard, I have found that when I just click on plugin, generally we have this option that add plugin. We can, these are the existing plugin I have already installed in this website WordPress, and I just wanted to install one more plugin. I wanted to do some other task, so I could not find that. So this is what I just want to share with you guys, that in case if you come across this kind of problem, if you encounter this kind of problem, how you can fix it. I have just tried so many things. I checked that if there was some administration issue or any other issue. I have updated the themes. I'm using Bloxy theme there. I have checked themes and everything is perfectly fine. There is no problem. I'm using child theme as well. So what exactly I did, I'll just come to the solution part. What exactly I did, that there is one file uh, in our directory. If you are using anything, so certainly there will be in public.html. So I'll tell you the name of the file is wp-config. I've just noted this down. wp-config.php. This is the file where we will find a lot of other functionality. So actually, these are the function which decides the plugins, if it will be activated or not, it will be showing there or not. Sometime you might have seen that in under WordPress we can create so many users. Some user can have all the rights. If we just want to give some other rights like subscribe editor or subscriber and anything, that's why these functionality work accordingly. So this is generally what happen if there is no plugin. These functions will be true, right? So I'll just show it to you there. When I just log in into my dashboard, you can just, if you are using, I'm using Hostinger for that, I can go to the file manager, and you can also go somehow, even if you are using GoDaddy or any other hosting provider, you will certainly find this sometimes cPanel or hPanel. That won't make much difference. And under this you will find public.html. It has so many files, but we are looking for this one, wp-config.php, right? This file, wp-config.php, right? So what exactly I need to do, like define in the beginning, it should be false, not true. This was earlier, that if this is true means you won't be it won't be showing you the plugin option, that you can't add the plugin. This is the right you know um, code line. So what I'll simply do, I'll simply just paste it here in the beginning, because I just want to define, and I'll just save it. Now what I'll do, I'll show you. This time there is no plugin, I can't add any plugin, I don't have any option, right? So now see, here is the plugin option. So you can add any plugin, you can type here anything if you want, and you can search and install it, right? So this is all about this. It is very easy. I'll just paste these piece of code there under comment as well, so you can find there as well. Thank you.